Hello guys, today we continue our lesson how to create account ID in Binance. So you go to your Explorer. So I type here Binance.com. So you can find out this link in the description below. And then you click on register here. So you don't have an account. So select your country here. What country are you in? For me, I am in Cambodia. And then click confirm. So here you can input email or phone number, but for me I wanna input email. Okay, so let me input my email. Don't worry, this is demo Binance. Okay, and then enter your email here. Okay, your password must be strong password. Okay, so it's strong, yeah? At least one uppercase, at least one number and character, so it's strong enough. And then referral ID. So you can get a referral ID here. In my video, you can find out in description below. So you can get commission rate 5%. I use spot, yeah. But if you trade on future, this is not for future. This is for spot. Okay, completed here. Pass. And then click create. So you can get 5 commission rate 5 if you use this referral ID and then create account. Okay, drag this to the right. You see, make sure it is in the right position. Okay, I wanna save it. Okay, I wanna save my password. Okay, the verification code sent to my email. Yeah, that's my gmail.com. Copy this one and paste it here. Submit. Okay, so your account was done. Yeah, see here, account was done. Okay, so that's all for today. See you in the next lesson for verify. Yeah, bye bye.